hello. Uh, I don't know. Yeah, got it, got it. Okay, got it. Okay, got it. Okay. Yeah, just a second. Hmm. इसकी आवाज कम I don't know इसकी आवाज कम हो सकती है कि नहीं और इससे सुनाई देगा कि नहीं इसकी आवाज कम I don't know इसकी आवाज कम हो सकती है कि नहीं और इससे सुनाई देगा कि नहीं I don't know इसकी आवाज Okay, let me read aloud and it will tell us. Human needs for food, healthcare products and other material aimed at improving the quality of life. Healthcare products and other material aimed at improving the quality of life. Okay, now everything seems fine, so let's start. Okay. So basically, when we start this chapter, we got some basic concepts of chemistry, unit 1 of this class 11th chemistry. Okay. So first of all, what is chemistry? So chemistry deals with the composition, structure and properties of matter. Okay, these aspects can be best described and understood in terms of the basic constituents of matter, atoms and molecules. So yeah, there are two basic constituents of matter. Let me just highlight this. Basic constituents of matter, atoms and molecules. That's why chemistry is called the science of atoms and molecules. Okay. Can we see? Wait. Okay, so these are just shit. Okay. And now we have science can be used as a continuing human effort to synthesize knowledge for describing and understanding nature. For the sake of convenience, science is subdivided into various disciplines: chemistry, physics, biology, and geography. Geology. Chemistry is a branch of the science that studies the composition, properties, and interaction of matter. Chemists are interested in knowing how chemical transforms occur. Okay, transformations occur. So basically, this is an important thing that chemistry plays a central role in science. Okay, so what is this is the point one can be of what is the importance of chemistry. So you will write that chemistry plays a central role in science and is often like connected or interconnected with other branches of science like physics, bio and geography. So chemistry also plays an important role in daily life. So these are some points of daily life. Chemical industries manufacturing fertilizers, alkalis, acids, salt, dyes, polymers, drugs, soap, detergent, metals, alloys, and other inorganic and organic chemicals. Now, we have chemistry plays an third point will be human needs. The first point was role in science. Okay, chemistry or in chemistry and its role in science. Sorry. Okay, and the third point in this human needs. Now, how it can improve the quality of life. So chemistry plays an important role in meeting human needs. For example, for food, healthcare products, and other medical aims at improving the quality of life. Okay. So it has an example of large-scale production of a variety of fertilizer, improved varieties of pesticides and insecticides. So this is an example. Okay. Right. Now we have similarly many life-saving drugs such as caspulatin and texanol. Okay, caspulatin and texanol are given two drugs here. We got yes, we got life-saving drugs like caspulatin and texol that are effective in cancer therapy, and AZT, which is azithromycin, used for helping AIDS victims. Okay, let me just highlight this too. Yes, have been isolated from plants and animal source. Okay, which is better understanding of with a better understanding of chemical principle, it has now become possible to design and synthesize new material having specific magnetic, electric, and optical properties. This has led to the production of superconducting car mix, conducting polymers, optical fibers, and large-scale miniaturization of solid device. In recent years, chemistry has tackled with a fair degree of success some of the pressing aspects of environmental degradation, safer alternatives to environmentally hazardous refrigerators like CFC, responsible for ozone depletion in the stratosphere. So what is responsible for ozone depletion in the stratosphere? So CFC is responsible for the ozone depletion in stratosphere. CFC. We got CFC, which is known as chlorofluorocarbon. In recent years, we have studied a fair degree of success of pressing aspects of sulfur have been successfully synthesized. However, many big environmental problems continue to be matter of grave concern to the chemist. One such problem is management of greenhouse gases. So there are some problems. What problems? Environmental problems which are give matter of concerns to chemists. कौन से वो environmental problems हैं जो कि chemist को कुछ मतलब परेशान कर रही हैं, वो अभी हम पता करते हैं. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहला हमारे पास जो environmental problem आ रहा है, अब यहाँ पे कुछ इन्वायरमेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जो कि केमिस्ट को परेशान कर रहे हैं. कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स जो कि जैसे कि ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट लाइक मीथेन. ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट जो होता है में एक कुछ ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस भी होती है, जैसे ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस कौन सी होगी? मीथेन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और एटसेट्रा. ठीक है, तो वी गॉट ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट लाइक ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस लाइक मीथेन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एटसेट्रा. Okay, understanding of biochemical processes use enzyme for large-scale production of chemicals and say, what? No way. What? Okay. अब यहाँ पे एक तो ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया हमारा, ठीक है. अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ बायोकेमिकल प्रोसेस, यूज ऑफ एंजाइम फॉर लार्ज स्केल प्रोडक्शन ऑफ केमिकल एंड सिंथेसाइजेस ऑफ न्यू exotic material are some intellectual challenges for the future generation of chemists. Okay, तो एक प्रॉब्लम ये हो गया और एक प्रॉब्लम है कि अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ बायोकेमिकल यूज ऑफ एंजाइम फॉर लार्ज स्केल प्रोडक्शन of chemicals and synthesis of new exotic material are some intellectual challenges. Okay, what is exotic materials? Exotic मतलब जो extend करते हैं, I don't know. Exotic, just a second, मैं बताता हूँ. Exotic materials are materials that have high strength and hardness. Okay. For the future generation of chemists, developing country like India needs talented and creative chemists for accepting such challenges. Now, there are some nature of matters we are trying to understand. So, we are already familiar with matter. What is matter? Matter is something that occupies mass and space. We all know this. What is matter? Isn't it? So we got some diagram of solid, liquid and gas. Give a fuck to this, but yeah, I can just write it as like, you can draw this diagram in your exam papers, so it will be helpful for CBSE students. So everything around us, like book, pen, pencil, water, air, all the living beings, etc., are composed of matter. You know that they have mass and occupy space. You are aware that matter can exist in three physical states, which is solid, liquid, and gas. So the constituent particle of matter in these three states can be represented as shown solid. These particles are held very close. Okay, let's write here about solids. So first of all, we got solid. What are solid? Right. What are solids? Particles are held very close. In solid, particles are held very close to each other in an ordinary fashion, and there is not much freedom of movement. Okay. In liquids, we got the particles are close to each other. Okay, the particles are close, yes, close to each other, but they can move around. However, they can move around. Yes, and in gases, the case of gases, the particles are far apart. Particles are far apart as compared to those far apart, very far apart. Okay, and their movement is easy and fast. Okay, we got, because of such arrangement of particles, different states of matter exhibits the following characteristics. Like solid have definite volume and definite shape. Liquid have definite volume but not definite shape. They take the shape of container in which they are placed. Gases have neither defined volume nor shape. They completely occupy container in which they are placed. This is something very important. You must learn. Okay. And these three states of matter are inconvertible by changing the conditions of temperature. Yes, this is also important. important, I think. But I know that most of you are have remembered these things. I think first chapter of class 9th was this, and yeah, you must learn these things. These are important. So we have studied the first of the chapter, solid. Oh, okay. But let's revise about solid. What is solid? Solids are the particles which are held very close to each other, and there is barely have space to move freely. Okay, so and then we got liquids. Particles are close. Particles are close enough, but they still have space to move. And then we get gases, that particles are very apart and they have a very good space to move. Again, now we got what are solids. So these are some chemical chemical properties of solid, liquid, and gases, and these are some physical properties. Like we see, like solid have definite volume and definite shape. We all know that solid have a definite volume and a definite shape. Liquid have a definite volume but not a definite shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are placed. And gases, they don't have not a definite volume nor a definite space. Okay, that's it. Definite volume, definite shape. Definite volume, not definite shape. Definite volume, not definite shape. This is what of solid. These three states of matter on heating solid usually change into liquid and all that stuff. At a microscopic or bulk level, matter can be classified as mixture of pure substance that can be further divided as shown in the figure. Yes, matter are of two types. He is correct. Matter are of two types, mixtures and pure substance. And in mixture you have homogeneous, heterogeneous, and pure have elements and compound. That's it. I think you guys remember these things, isn't it? Whether I don't know. Do you guys? I don't think so that I don't need to tell you about these things. Molecules, atom molecule. But still, okay, if you are asking me for, then I can just. But I think you don't need to, but okay, still. A mixture, homogeneous, heterogeneous composition. So, homogeneous, so heterogeneous have a non-uniform composition. And sometimes different amounts of sugar gas. Okay. But okay, to mention that the components of a mixture, components of the mixture can be separated by using physical method, such as simple hand picking, filtration, crystallization, and distillation, etc. Okay. Grains, pulse, lumpus, method. Okay. Now we got homogeneous mixture. homogeneous mixture completely mixed with each other. Okay, that is homogeneous mixture. Now we got composition variables, simple copper, glucose contain hydrogen, be separate. So pure substance can be further classified into elements and compounds. Yes, an element consists of only one type of particle. Yeah, this is quite bold statement. What an element? Damn, I didn't expect that. Let me check how is the stream going. And sometime later on the sugar cane. Right shape. Different volume. Not different shape. Different volume. Not different shape. This is what solid. An element consists of only one type of particle. These particles may be atoms or molecules. You may be familiar with the atoms and molecules from the previous class. Says are different.